I'm going to cover how to make these two flowers. Okay, so because I have promised that I will show each and everything, so then step by step I will show each and everything. Okay, so this is the flower, how to cut and how to make it. I'm going to show you. Even if you have like, you can purchase from two flower from the market, and you can stick also, but this is the same necklace I am teaching you, so I am just sharing with you how to make these flowers. Okay, so this is the one fabric flower, already I have it. These are the cutouts of the flower. These are the these are the fabric flower. These are the available in market in my area. I'm not saying that it would, so that is the great idea which I find out. Even I am doing it at my home whenever I don't have this flower. What you can do, I have shown the material list. You can purchase a felt sheet or foam sheet, you can also purchase, but it looks little bit more pretty, so you can use the felt sheet also. Okay, I'm not suggesting foam sheet, but still if you want you can use it, but felt sheet have little bit shiny, and you can stick the glitter flower also. So this is the like, so firstly what you need to do, you have to trace your flower. So you have to place your flower like this, and from your pencil you have to mark. I have marked. Okay, now I'm how to cut. You can easily cut felt sheet, even foam also. You can purchase the foam flowers if you want. Okay, and now you have to cut according to the shape. I don't know, my scissor is not working properly. Let me take out my another scissor. Guys, this is one of my favorite scissor. So this is how you have to cut. Okay, now your flower is ready. Now what you need to do, you have to take one piece of yellow paper, yellow felt sheet, and you have to cut in a circle. Okay, and now you can place it like this. You can use fabric glue, but I am using B77,000. This is the glue which I really like it. And if you are making jewelry, so and this is the transparent glue also. Now place it in center and stick this one. Okay, So your this element is ready. Now what you need to do, you can take the mirror also, you can take this kind of beads also. I am placing golden bead, okay, or you can use white also, okay. So your flower is ready, okay, and the same manner, in the same process you have to prepare the second one also, okay. I hope I am clear.